Welcome to my updated 2023 dropshipping tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to start and grow your own dropshipping business. From finding the right products to setting up your online store and driving traffic to it, I've got you covered. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to expand your current e-commerce business, this video is for you. My name's Alex, let's get right into it. How to start dropshipping in 2023. So to start, I wanna go over some startup costs with you guys. Keep in mind that all of these are actually optional. If you guys wanna start dropshipping with $0 in 2023, then you guys definitely can. But I recommend getting all of these so that you guys can build a premium brand that stands out from the crowd. So first is a premium .com domain name. This is typically your brand.com or really anything that you guys want it to be. You're looking at anywhere between $10 to $25 depending on your brand name and the actual domain name that you guys want to buy. Your product to shoot content, I recommend ordering your product on Amazon. You're looking at anywhere between $2 to $15, sometimes more, sometimes less, depending on the actual product that you're selling. But this allows you guys to start shooting TikTok organic, all of your video ads, all of your website content, and everything going forward. If you guys want to start off with paid advertising, you're looking at $5 to $100 a day, depending on your budget and your goals with this brand. But you guys can definitely start off with TikTok organic and make just as much, if not more, sales that way. Last but not least, you have your Shopify fees. This is $29 a month after your free 14-day trial. They give you guys 2 weeks to go ahead and build your brand, set everything up on the back end, and start making sales. This should be more than enough time to make more than that $29 a month fee and allow you guys to really start scaling your store. All right, let's talk about finding winning products and doing product research. So I have 3 different product research methods for you guys right here, all of which will be very helpful for you this year. And I don't actually recommend one more than the other, but I do recommend checking out each of these and trying them all out for yourself to see what products you can find and what each of these can do for your brand. So first up, we have TikTok. You guys can find trending products on TikTok organic by checking relevant hashtags like TikTok made me buy it or Amazon finds. Go ahead and check those hashtags to see what products you guys can find. But always make sure to filter it by most liked and this week so you guys aren't finding saturated products from say, 2 years ago. You guys can easily see how popular each product is based on the likes, views, and checking the comment section. Next up, we have the AliExpress Dropshipping Center. The Dropshipping Center will highlight trending products in real time, allowing you to see which products are performing well for other brands. You can track the sales data to find up-to-date winners pretty quickly. So the AliExpress Dropshipping Center also allows you guys to find trending VIP links and also source some really good suppliers directly on there. Next up, we have ad spy tools such as MyNia, My Ad Finder, or Dropship Rabbit. These will track ads from top dropshipping stores, allowing you to spy on their products and marketing strategies to see what's trending and what's selling best for them. So for a quick example, we'll go ahead and log into MyNia. We'll go on TikTok ads in the left-hand corner. The scene date, we'll go ahead and look at ads just from the first couple weeks of January. We want the ecom platform to be Shopify, and we want a minimum of, let's say, 3,000 likes. So now that we put in all of those filters, these are the trending TikTok ads that meet that criteria. So go ahead and scroll through some of these to see which products are trending right now based on the filters that you have selected. After you guys have found and validated a winning product through the product research methods we just went over, it's time to think about which dropshipping platform you want to go with. I have 5 of the most popular right here, but keep in mind you aren't limited to just these ones. We have Shopify, Amazon, WooCommerce, Etsy, and ClickFunnels. Go ahead and check out all of these, look at the features, the pricing points, and what it can do for your business. Based on the features, pricing, integrations, and more, I definitely recommend starting with Shopify's free 14-day trial. But make sure to check out these other 4 as well. So when you guys are ready, just go ahead and go on Shopify.com. It actually looks like they're doing a promotion where you guys can get 3 months of Shopify for just $1 a month. So make sure to take advantage of that promotion and click sign up now right here at the top. And it's just going to ask you a few different questions about your business, but go ahead and fill out all of this, all of your personal information. But there's only one thing that's going to stop us from continuing. You guys first need to choose a name and design a logo for your new business. So for your name and logo, you don't want to overthink it. Just choose a nice brand name based around your product. Design a quick logo on Canva or Photoshop, and if you guys aren't comfortable doing that just yet, then go ahead and outsource it on Fiverr for as little as $5. You guys want to choose your brand colors and your brand name based around your product, like I just said. And now let's talk about structuring your new dropshipping store. So after you guys find a product and choose a platform, you want to build a quick one product store around it. You guys want to spend no more than 2 to 3 hours doing this, but make sure to optimize it for both mobile and PC so that you guys can start selling to both customers right away. You guys can worry about actually structuring your business later, like filing an LLC. After you start to make some real money, same goes for your taxes. You want to make sales first, worry about taxes and structuring later. So keep in mind this is optional, but I highly recommend ordering your product on Amazon so you guys can start shooting content with it right away. This allows you to start shooting custom content for your brand, your video ads, your image ads, all of your website content and everything else. You can also start sending your product to influencers so they can start shooting content for you and you guys can start promoting your brand that way. And you guys can also start with all of your organic marketing being TikTok organic and Instagram Reels. But you guys can always use AliExpress or influencer content to start instead if you guys don't feel like ordering your product yourself. Now there's just a couple more steps that we have to take before we start driving traffic to our store and making sales. First is our store policies. You guys need to create and upload all of your store policies to your website. This is your refund policy, shipping, privacy, and terms of service. Make sure to have all of those in place. I just recommend throwing them all in the footer of your website so that they're there. Next up is your email marketing. You guys want to create an email sign-up form, one of those website pop-ups that appears to start collecting emails from your customers. You guys can offer some sort of an incentive like free shipping, 10% off, any type of discount code or something like that in return for the customer's email. That's a great way to start building your email list. You guys want to use an app like Klaviyo to create all of your flows, like your abandoned cart, your customer win back, your welcome series, all of your upsells, and any future email marketing promotions that you guys are setting up moving forward. Don't start marketing until all of this is done. We'll go on Klaviyo in just a second and I'll show you how to start setting up all of this. And then next up, you guys want to find a good supplier for your product. Fulfillment will be the backbone of your business. So let's go ahead and find and choose a good supplier for your dropshipping store right now. All right, so I'm just here on the AliExpress Dropshipping Center and you guys should have your winning product selected by this point. So just go ahead and type in whatever product it is that you're selling in this little search bar right here. So for this example, say I'm going to be selling this heated vest that you see reappear in the dropshipping space every single year. It's going to show you all the different product listings, all the different variations, the ratings, the sales data, and everything to do with each product and supplier. So just go through all of these until you find a few that meet your expectations. And then we're going to go ahead and actually message each supplier. And once we have a few different suppliers selected, we can actually negotiate some of the pricing and terms for these products, get faster shipping, lower prices, and an actual VIP link created and set up for our store. That allows us to avoid, the crowd so that nobody can see what we're selling if we have a secret VIP link set up. And you guys can start making more sales that way and have a great fulfillment method. Okay, so this is the product that I have selected. They have a ton of orders, a ton of great, almost 5-star reviews right here, almost 700 reviews, and a ton of different variations of the actual jacket itself, different heating points, different settings, different colors, everything to do with that. So I like this product right here. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll over this little supplier link right here and I'm going to click contact now. That will take you to your AliExpress messages. Now you just want to ask a couple of questions to these potential suppliers. Make sure to message quite a few. I said, hello, my name is Alex and I would like to start dropshipping your heated vests. I have a few questions for you to start. First, do you offer logo placement, and if so, what is your daily MOQ or minimum order quantity? This is the minimum amount of orders that these suppliers want you to be getting from your customers. So some suppliers will want you to be getting 5 orders a day at least before they start placing your logo on these products. Do you support dropshipping, and what shipping methods do you offer? Last, would you be able to create a VIP link with competitive pricing for me? I'm looking for a long-term partnership. Thank you in advance. So make sure to type up a similar message just like this and send it to a few different suppliers to see what the best pricing you can get and which supplier will be best for your brand. So I mentioned that you guys want to sign up for Klaviyo and create all of your email flows and sign up forms and all that good stuff in there. So this is a Klaviyo account for a brand that I haven't touched in years, but we're going to use it just for today's example. So go ahead and click sign up forms over here on the left side. And I already mentioned that you guys want to create some type of pop-up form for your store to collect your customers' emails and get them signed up for your newsletter. So go ahead and click create sign up form up here. You guys can go on Google Images and take a look at examples from other stores, or even go on some of your competitor brand stores or some stores, in the top of your niche. to see what kind of sign up forms they're creating, what incentives they're offering, and what their overall strategy is there. And then you guys want to go to flows over here right above sign up forms. Click create flow. You guys are going to create a bunch of different flows from your abandoned carts, your thank yous, your welcome series, your engagement, win backs, all of that good stuff. I'm not going to go over each one individually in this video to save time, but if you guys want to go over each one of these and actually see how to create each one, I have all of this covered in detail in my free 5-day course that you guys can sign up for down below. So this is what your overall timeline should look like for your dropshipping business. We have the initial launch. This is where your products are all sourced. You've built your store, you've set up all of your social medias, your upsells and pop-up forms are all in place. Everything's set up and created on the back end before you can start driving traffic to your store, and everything's good to go there. Then you guys have your testing phase. You guys can test your products on various channels like TikTok organic, Facebook ads, Google ads, Pinterest ads, or any type of ad platform similar based on your guys' marketing strategies and everything that you guys have in mind there. Then we have scheduling. You guys want to schedule all of your posts after that to optimize each platform's algorithm. Then you guys want to create multiple email promotions each week to continue growing your brand. Once you guys have grown your brand a little bit and you start to see consistent sales, then you want to start outsourcing a lot of the tasks in your brand. You want to hire VAs for that require more time or bring in less income, such as customer service and fulfillment. This will free up your time to allow you to focus on the more important areas of your brand and actually start getting ideas for new dropshipping stores afterwards. Then we have your exit plan where you guys can actually sell your brand. Once you guys have a fully automated cash flowing dropshipping store, you guys can list it for sale and exit with a large payout for your biggest payday yet. Thank you guys so much for making it this far. I know I didn't get to cover everything in great detail like I would have liked to save time, but I just wanted to show you guys how to get started with dropshipping and cover some of the most important parts of a dropshipping business. This should get you guys to your first few sales on your dropshipping store. Before a more advanced approach, consider signing up for my free 5-day course down below. You'll find that linked in the description. Thanks for watching this 2023 dropshipping tutorial. If you found this video helpful, then go ahead and leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. And good luck on your dropshipping journey. I'll see you in the next one.